Welcome to Making My School Lunch with April.
So point. What is that?
So this is tomato, and this is cabbage.
Lettuce.
Lettuce. And this is salami, and this is ham and cheese, and this is mayonnaise
And this is chutney.
and chutney.
Okay.
And this is grape, and this is
Can you lift that and show us?
and this is vanilla yogurt, and this is roll for this,
Okay.
and also this is my snack for school, and also this is my chocolate, and also my juice.
Thank you, April.
So this is juice, and this is chip, and this is chocolate.
What is that you're putting?
It's grape, and now I'm going to make my sandwich. Now we put this.
Tell us what you're putting, baby.
So I'm putting mayonnaise.
Very nice.
And now we're going to put the lettuce. And now we're going to put the tomato. And now we're going to put the cheese. And now we're going to put this.
What is that?
So this is salami. And now we're going to put this
Chutney.
chutney. And now we're all done.
And the ham?
Oh, and the ham. And then we put the ham. And now we all done. Mama. Now we close it. All done.
And the yogurt?
And now we put the yogurt here. And now we're going to put
In the back.
And now we're going to put my school lunch in here. And now we put this here.
What is that?
So this is yogurt.
Okay.
And this is a spoon. And now we're going to close.
I don't know how this.
Ready for school. Thank you for watching. Bye.